Imagine this. What if cow dung, crop waste and even rotten vegetables could replace the petrol and diesel that India imports for billions of dollars every year? While everyone is talking about solar panels and electric vehicles, there's a silent revolution bubbling up from India's villages. Compressed biogas. It not only solves India's energy crisis but also gives farmers a new income stream, cleans up waste and reduces emission all at once. But here's the big question. If it is so amazing, why isn't it mainstream? Hi everybody, my name is Aditya, PDGM-ABM grad at Manage Hyderabad. And in this video, we're gonna talk about CBG, that is compressed biogas.
Maharashtra has taken a big leap towards green energy with the inauguration of India's first cooperative multi-feed compressed biogas plant in Ahmednagar.
This year, we are building 55 CBG plants.
To help to fight against stubble burning, we are replacing natural gas, so reduce the energy dependence of India.
The day will come that we will be the exporter of the energy.
India imported around 242 million tons of crude oil, with import dependency over 89%, spending more than 15 lakh crore rupees annually. At the same time, farmers burn around 500 million metric tons of agri-waste yearly, causing pollution and losing valuable organic matter. So while cities choke and we import energy, our villages are literally sitting on the mountain of untapped fuel. This is where the compressed biogas comes in, a fuel identical to CNG but made from the biological waste. Now let's understand the whole ecosystem of CBG. In the very first stage, the biomass like cow dung, press mud or even crop waste is collected. In the second stage, that biomass goes to the anaerobic digester, where microbes break it down to produce raw biogas. In third stage, the gas is purified. Impurities like carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide and water vapors are removed, and what remains is almost pure methane. In the final stage, the methane is compressed to make CBG, stored in cylinder and send it to the fuel station. In the whole process, we got one very useful byproduct, that is fermented organic manure, which is a high quality organic fertilizer. According to the SATAT Scheme, India aimed to set up around 5,000 CBG plants, generating 15 million metric tons of CBG per year, creating 75,000 direct jobs and cutting 1 lakh crore rupees in the oil imports. People recently, India added very important signal in this sector. That is, country's first cooperative multi-feed CBG plant was inaugurated in the Gobardhan of Maharashtra. And the center plans to support for 15 more cooperative sugar mills for CBG plants. So one single plant can generate energy, organic fertilizers and the rural development. Truly a win-win situation, right? But here's where the things get tricky. Despite over 3,000 LOIs under SATAT Scheme, fewer than 150 plants are actually operational. Why? Mainly because of the four reasons. High upfront cost. A single medium plant can cost around 30 to 40 crore rupees. Feedstock collection is very complex and seasonal in this sector, as well as the lack of uniform gas quality and pipeline connectivity hinder the whole process. And finally, many entrepreneurs complain that banks hesitate to give fund to their project in the same industry. However, with new initiatives like GOBARdhan, waste to energy mandates for municipalities and the green credit policies, the tide is slowly turning. According to the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, India's total CBG potential is 62 million metric ton per year, equivalent to the 40% of total CNG consumption currently. If tapped properly, we can create India's rural green economy worth rupees 3 to 4 crore annually. Think about it, every cow, every sugar mill or even every waste tip could become part of India's clean energy future. So next time when you see a cow on the road, don't just think about milk. Think about economy, energy and the rural development of India. That's it for today's video. Please share your views in comment section so that we can learn more about this sector. This is the story of India's silent green revolution, the compressed biogas revolution. Thank you.